Double trouble. Why 2 moons would destroy Earth. Imagine Earth with 2 moons. Sounds beautiful, right? Wrong. Prepare for tidal forces amplified beyond comprehension. Our current moon already causes significant tides. Add another lunar body, and coastlines would be ravaged by colossal waves. Coastal cities? Gone. Entire ecosystems? Destroyed. We're talking biblical-scale floods, reshaping continents and drowning everything in their path. The serene ocean views we cherish would become relentless, destructive forces. But the tidal chaos is just the beginning. Brace yourselves for climate instability of epic proportions. The gravitational dance between 2 moons would wreak havoc on Earth's axial tilt. This tilt is crucial for our seasons. Disrupt it, and you trigger extreme, unpredictable weather patterns. Think ice ages followed by scorching heat waves, all within decades. Agriculture collapses. Mass starvation ensues. The delicate balance of our climate system shatters completely. And here's the terrifying climax. The moons themselves might not coexist peacefully. Their orbits could become unstable, leading to a catastrophic collision. Imagine one moon crashing into the other, or worse, into Earth. The impact would be devastating, triggering earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and a global extinction event. We're talking dinosaur-level destruction. Only this time, it's us facing the asteroid. Thankfully, this apocalyptic scenario is just a thought experiment. Earth has only 1 moon, and its orbit is relatively stable. But understanding these hypothetical disasters helps us appreciate the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. It highlights the importance of protecting our environment and understanding the forces that shape our world. So, next time you gaze at the moon, remember, sometimes 1 is definitely better than 2. The night sky might look prettier with a double moon, but the reality would be a nightmare beyond imagination.